Okay, for week 1 of recording and sharing all of my ghostwriting info and insanity with the world, it's not that bad. So it's not that good, but it's also not that bad. As you'll see from the analytics I plan to share, and that I'll be sharing every Friday from now on, because I'm a glutton for punishment? No. Because I was raised Catholic and incentivized myself with humiliation. But really, seriously, not that that wasn't kind of serious. It's not that bad. I mean, everyone has to start somewhere, which is what I keep reminding myself. And I did okay. I mean, since Monday, I've had 7 new subscribers. I mean, I think that's pretty cool. And no, you can't say it's my mom or my dad because they're dead. It might be some pity likes from friends. Can we not go down that road though? Can we just stick with the fact that I have 7 new subscribers, and this isn't going the way I planned. Okay, so week 1, 7 new subscribers. Yay! Let's take a look at the analytics. Let's do it like that. We'll do that. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with this, so this is my first time using OBS to record the screen, but I'm gonna do it, and my face is huge right here, and that's okay. Okay, I have 7 new subscribers. Okay, so let's start over. Okay, so this week, my first real week on the YouTubes. So you can see my videos here. Let's see, top content. Yeah, this short got 400 views, which is okay. I mean, I know it's bad, but it's good for me. Oh, and I'm cutting back in to point out on the shorts, it's really difficult to put a header image or a thumbnail. I set thumbnails, I create thumbnails, and they don't show, and I can't get them to show. So that's something that's a technical difficulty I hope to overcome by next week. Who knows though? Seems pretty cagey. And then the other thing is the sizing. So I'm using CapCut and I'm trying to resize my YouTube videos to the 9:16 for the shorts, and instead it's like I'm all face, or I don't know, it's just so weird. I can't get it. I did it kind of okay the first time, and then I've gotten progressively worse. So I'm kind of going the wrong way with that. But I'm gonna figure it out. And when I do, I'm creating a tutorial about it for sure, because I can't be the only one that struggles with this. It's insanity. It's probably something really simple, but why isn't there a video saying, hey, here's the simple way to do this? If there is one, I haven't found it. I've been looking too. All right, but anyway, I have 7 subscribers, almost 5 hours of watch time, which is great. 508 more views, 999% more views than my previous 28 days. So it's only one way to go, which is up. And I can see the live count over here of who's looking right now. I don't think anyone. Oh, and I have 44 subscribers, so I got 7, so I started out with 37. I figured out how to use this OBS just today, actually. It's a free open source software that it's a broadcasting system that you download, and then you can show screen, and you can record your screen, obviously, which is what I'm doing right now. And it's pretty neat. It has a little bit of a learning curve. The shorts feed seems to be a really good source for me, so I'm gonna have to continue with my shorts. My goal is to post 1 short video every day, and then every Friday to update you on what is happening with all of this stuff, with my analytics, to show the growth and how it's happening and what I'm learning from it. And then every Monday to have a new video about ghostwriting and about how people are scammed. I only have 44 subscribers right now, but I think that will grow. I hope that grows. I guess we'll see if that grows. So, and for this coming Monday's ghostwriting video, I have 2 ideas that I'm working on. I'm not sure which one I'll publish first. One is focused on the many ways you can have a career as a ghostwriter, the many options that you have, because it's not just writing books, not at all. And then the other one are the 5 things that people say to you that you need to watch out for when they're scamming you about a ghostwriting course, or about writing courses just in general, or about working online. So it's pretty standard stuff. So I don't know, I think that one might be most helpful to help people avoid things, but I don't want to become totally focused on just scams. You tell me. So I don't know which way I'll go. I'm leaning toward the ghostwriting just because that's what I want the channel to be about, but I hate that I see people get taken every single day online by these folks. And they're so flashy about it too. They're like, oh, hey, blah, blah, blah. Well, I can't get started. I won't stop. So thank you for watching this. If you did, and you can tell me in the comments what you liked about it, what you didn't, just anything, that would be cool. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you could, does that help? No? Does that drive you away? Okay, I won't do that again. But subscribe, okay? And so next week I hope to say that I got 100 subscribers even. I don't know, anything's possible. I think that what will ultimately differentiate me here is the fact that I'm telling you the truth about this stuff. So I know you hear that a lot, and you hear people say, don't buy the course. And then they proceed to sell you, well, I guess I'm gonna kind of do that too. But it's different, let me tell you how. I actually have 25 years plus of writing experience, 15 years plus of ghostwriting experience, and I have zero incentive to lie. So I'm not trying to build my expertise through this. I'm sharing my expertise that I already have. I'm trying to create something that I can sleep at night. I know I can sleep at night when I'm telling you this stuff. I'm not scamming you out of your money. And that's the biggest thing that I guess kind of pisses me off about these other people, is that they are. Like, I don't know how they sleep at night, because they know that the stuff that they're telling you doesn't work, isn't true. It's a big exaggeration across the board. And I just don't get it. I don't get why the money is that important to them. I mean, I guess I do. Money, I don't know. But I don't. It's just, I don't want you to spend your money. Money is time. And time is like the most important thing that we all have. And so you're wasting your time and your money, and it should just be spent in other ways. And I know that I personally have watched lots of videos about a lot of different things, like affiliate marketing when I was first figuring that out. I know how to do that too, by the way. And there are a lot of lies about that as well. I do that a little bit. So when I was figuring that out though, I saw so many people that were just full of it. Like, they make things out to seem like it's something that it just isn't. I just want to debunk a lot of things, save you the time that I spent, that I know you're going to spend on figuring these things out, and I've already done it. So I have suffered for you. Again, there's that Catholic guilt. I guess it comes in handy sometimes. All right, well, I guess I will talk to you next time, and I hope you come back.